What do you know? We're trying to convert 210, yes, that's a 10, 210 milliliters to our inches cubed, okay? Now, we got two key conversion factors here. 1 centimeter cubed equals 1 milliliter. That's going to be pretty helpful. And then I got 1 inch equals 2.5 centimeters, which is also pretty helpful, okay? So what are we going to do here, Dr. J? Because I'm looking at this and I'm getting a little confused. Well, I got your back, right? But before I get there, I want you to try it yourself, right? The whole goal of this is for you to practice with these problems and to see how we doing, right? Because this stuff can get complicated. So feel free to pause me right now. Let's just get straight to it, right? So I got 210 milliliters, bam, right here. And remember, this is over one. This now, my question is, what do we want to convert to? Because I'm in. How am I going from milliliters? I'm in a volume, and I need to go to inches cube. Inches cube, a length. Not only is the length is United States length. I mean, like it's in inches. It's not even in centimeters. What are we doing here? So I am. First thing I'm going to do here is let's just focus on those units, man. Let's focus on those units. So what I noticed, right, is that I want to put my milliliters on the bottom. I understand that needs to cancel out. Bam, bam. And in this case, if I look at a handy dandy conversion factor over here, what do I got? 1 milliliter, bam, 1 centimeter cubed. That's a conversion factor I can use. And that conversion factor is going to do what, everybody? It's going to convert from milliliters to what? Centimeters cubed. I heard it out there. I heard it. I hope I heard it. All right. So centimeters cubed. So we got to understand that that's 1 and 1, right? Shout out to Kyla Pratt. Proud family. 1 and 1. All right. So milliliters is cancel out. Centimeters cubed is here. Where we going now? Where are we about to go? All right. So we about to go where? We about to go from centimeters cubed. Centimeters cubed. We need to get to what? Inches cubed. Now, how are we about to do that? All right. What do we notice? This is in centimeters cubed. Dr. J, what do we have to do to get it cubed? Well, in this case, I need to cube this entire conversion factor, right? So if I cube this entire thing, I'm looking at 1 inch, 2.54. This in reality, everything is going to be cubed, right? So that means that what? What does this look like? My 1 inch is cubed. My 1 is cubed. So my number is cubed. My inches is cubed now, right? My 2.54 is cubed, and my units is cubed. So my numbers and units is going to be cubed anytime that you cube that entire conversion factor. And why are we cubing the entire conversion factor? Because it's all about units. Because we're trying to cancel out these centimeters cube units to get to inches cube unit. And we couldn't get to inches cube unit without cubing, right, the whole thing. Shout out to Cuba Gooding Jr. You know what I'm saying? So what do we notice? Centimeters cubed canceled, and we're in inches cubed now. So that's going to be my final unit that I want to see, because we're trying to go to inches cubed here. All right. So from here, what do we need to do, everybody? Well, we need to multiply across and divide. What we have here, when I say multiply across and divide at the very end, I'm talking about 210 times 1 cubed. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so when I say multiply across, therefore that's going to be 210 on the top, right? Because 1 cube is 1 and 1 is 1. So it's really just 210 on the top. And on the bottom, it's going to be 1 times 2.54 cubed. So what is 2.54 cubed? 2.54 cubed, in case we didn't know, because I didn't know, 16.3. Okay, and then let me just get another one right here. 9. All right. So we got 210 on the top, 16.39 on the bottom. And then from here, right, once we multiply across, because I multiply across my numerators, I multiply across my denominators. And then what are we going to do? We're going to divide my final answers together. So 210 divided by 16.39, that's going to leave me with 12.8, in this case, inches cubed. All right, because we understand that everything was being canceled out over here. And this is my final answer.